While you can't control the length of each phase of the hair growth cycle, there are several things you can do to promote healthy hair growth and minimize hair loss, which can help you achieve longer hair. Eat a balanced diet. A healthy diet that includes plenty of protein, vitamins, and minerals is important for healthy hair growth. Include foods such as eggs, fish, nuts, seeds, fruits, and vegetables in your diet to ensure that your body has the nutrients it needs to support hair growth. Take care of your scalp. A healthy scalp is essential for healthy hair growth. Use a gentle shampoo and conditioner that are suitable for your hair type and scalp condition. Avoid using hot water or harsh chemicals on your hair and scalp, as this can damage your hair follicles and inhibit hair growth. Avoid heat styling. Excessive heat styling can damage the hair shaft and cause breakage. If you must use heat styling tools, use them sparingly and always use a heat protectant spray. Avoid tight hairstyles. Wearing tight hairstyles such as braids, ponytails, or buns can cause tension on the hair follicles and lead to hair loss. Opt for looser hairstyles that don't put too much stress on your hair. Get regular trims. Regular trims can help keep your hair healthy and prevent split ends, which can lead to breakage and hair loss. Minimize stress. Chronic stress can disrupt the hair growth cycle and lead to hair loss. Practice stress-reducing activities such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing to promote healthy hair growth. Consider hair growth supplements. Some supplements such as biotin and iron have been shown to support healthy hair growth. However, it's important to talk to your doctor before taking any supplements to make sure they are safe for you. Remember, everyone's hair growth pattern is unique and it's normal for hair to grow at different rates. Be patient and consistent with your hair care routine, and you should see healthy hair growth over time.